Okay, so I've seen on YouTube that most charge controllers have like a button or something that allow you to manage if you want load or not. So I decided to take apart this one. This is cheap eBay Chinese CMTPO2. This had a version 2.0. Apparently, that's what the Roman numbers stand for. And I found out that in here. This is the charge controller. Yeah, and oddly enough, I did found the button. It's right here. But when you mount this, there is no way to press any kind of button. Yeah, there is a space. Yeah, but that button will never reach that. So there's no way to press that. A panel, a 20-watt panel. It's four 5 watts uh, panels for charging phones and small devices. It's a do-it-yourself. There, it's a big mess, of course, as you can see. I have another video where you can see how they looked as soon as I finished soldering and testing. And then I went on trying to encapsulate and I break most of them. So this is just like a laboratory. I was just trying to learn about solar energy. So I got a couple of instruments. I started testing, and in the end, I just decided to put this all in parallel. So this is a 20-watt panel of, in theory, 1 amp. These are 0.28 amps cells panels each. So 4 in parallel. It should give me a little above 1 amp, which is what is recommended to recover one battery. This is a car battery that was broken, was not holding the charge nor the voltage. So I did this treatment of um, Epsom salts. Some people recommend it, some other doesn't. But it worked. Right now it's giving me 12.2 steady. When it's charging, it's giving me, it's reaching the 12.50 something. But as soon as I disconnect and leave it on rest, it drops to about 12.2. But still, that's the voltage of a good battery. I have no idea how much amp hours this is gonna give me, or what is going to happen. I'm just, like I told you, this is some sort of laboratory. I'm trying to learn about solar. This is the temperature outside. We are now at 33.8 degrees Celsius. We're in Colombia, and inside the panel is 58. But like 5 minutes ago, because it's kind of shady, 5 minutes ago it was on 73 inside. So yeah, back to the thingy. I'm gonna have to plug the other one and see what that button does and why is it not like available. Okay, thanks YouTubers, have fun. Right, so I decided just to cut a little piece, and now the button is down there somewhere exposed, so I can press that. I'm going to plug this in and I'll let you know what happened. Solar, it's okay. says the battery is on normal. I haven't seen this on full ever because, well, you know, the battery, I guess I told you, is broken. So it's time to press this is the one that was plugged before. This is the way it comes. There's no way to press the button. So now let's go and check. Click, nothing happened. No, no, nothing, well, no. Okay, I'll press again and the load LED just stop illuminating. Okay, so there you go. There is a button on this. It's down there, and if you just take a knife and cut this space, which is not hard plastic, you will be able to reach the button. Alright,